Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I am back with a quick mix it up tutorial. This is for the chat announcements that shows when ads are coming up, when they've started, or when they've ended. This is essentially the same thing that Seribot uses, but it's through Mix It Up, so you can format and customize the messages to whatever you like. It's pretty simple, so if you're interested, keep watching. In Mix It Up, we're just going to go to the Events tab and then to the Twitch tab. If you could scroll down to the bottom, you will see the 3 ad options: upcoming, started, and ended. If you go into the Mix It Up wiki and to the special identifiers, you can find a section that has specific special identifiers for ads. We're just going to be using the next minutes one. So adding our first command, this is for ads upcoming. From the action drop down, select Twitch. And then we're going to add a send chat announcement action. For the special identifier, we are using the Twitch ad next minutes. This specifically shows the number of minutes until the next upcoming ad, and because this is all automated, it's usually between 4 and 5 minutes until the ad starts. This next step is completely optional, but I decided to add in an overlay. We're going to use essentially the same message with the same special identifier. This is just going to pop up on the screen versus in chat, so both of them will happen simultaneously. This is just for if, I guess, people are only watching the stream and they're not reading chat, they can also see that ads will be coming up soon, because we know that those ads can jump scare you sometimes. You can obviously customize this a lot more too if you like, such as adding a sound effect or even text to speech. If you have not set up the Mix It Up overlay before, head to the Services tab and you will find Overlay. In there will be a URL that you add to your OBS, just like a regular browser source. Now, the next 2 commands are essentially the same thing. So for ad started, I just made a simple message to say that the ad break had started for both the chat message and the overlay. For the ads ended command, I used the same special identifier from the first command. This depends on how often you run your ads. For me, I run ads every hour, so it will show that ads will be coming up again in 60 to 55 minutes. Here is the final result of all 3 of the ad event announcements. Here you can see the chat messages popping up and the overlay messages popping up at the same time. Like I said, the values will change once you're actually live, and it depends on how often you run your ads, but this is a really nice way to kind of customize boring ad announcements like this. If the video helped you out, make sure to like it and subscribe and follow me on Twitch if you want, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other tutorial ideas, let me know.